This is Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. What are the best and most nutritious vegetables to plant during cold weather? We have several here that work great in the cold. You can plant them in very early spring as soon as the soil can be worked, or plant them in late summer to early fall and harvest them in cool weather, right up until probably Thanksgiving for some of these. I have here a couple different kinds of kale, sort of the new darling plant of the nutrition world. Very, very nutritious plant, grown easily in cold weather. All of the brassicas work in cold weather. We've got Brussels sprouts, my personal favorite. It's best to wait for these to have experienced a freeze before you pick them. They'll be much milder. Got some broccoli here and red cabbage. Also have a cauliflower starting, a little baby cauliflower. We've got peas. Peas can go into the ground usually by mid-March. St. Patrick's Day is a good marker to remember. You can plant peas as early as then. And then I plant them again in early fall and pick them in the fall. They don't like it when it's really hot. Most of the leaf crops do well, like this Swiss chard, and spinach loves cool weather. So does lettuce. Lettuce can even be planted in part shade if you like. And the darker leafed lettuces are actually more nutritious than the pale iceberg kind. So choose a colorful leaf lettuce. Plant them 2 to 3 times a year, grow and harvest in cool weather. This is Donna Emery at Glover Nursery.